If you're building a travel EDC pouch for airports, this is the setup you will actually need. In this video, I'm going to break down my carry-on complement everyday carry, including TSA-friendly gear, travel essentials, and security-focused items that I trust when flying. And I got a couple things that most people aren't carrying, protects your information and even your hotel room when you're inside. But I'll show you that later in this video. If you want compact, organized pouch that gets through security and actually works when you need it, this is it. All right, let's start with the pouch that I like to carry when I travel. So this is the Maxpedition double-decker EDC pouch organizer. I bought this around a year ago and it hasn't failed me since. Some of the features that this pouch has, it's heavy duty grab handle, so I can grab it or even attach it to luggage. So it's got that high nylon webbing for the materials. It's got that genuine YKK zipper. So I've never had this fail in terms of getting caught. And then finally, it's got that paracord zipper pulls, so I can easily sort of open and close it. So I highly recommend this pouch if you're looking for an EDC traveling pouch. Again, the Maxpedition double-decker EDC pouch organizers. All right, let's go ahead and start opening this up and I'll show you what I would recommend and what I travel with. We're going to start off with, so full disclosure, I don't have any electronics on here other than my flashlight. And the reason why is I tend to carry that in a different pouch. So you're not going to see any chargers or anything on there. That's going to be for another video, but these are more the essentials if I need to pull that out if I'm just traveling out and about. All right, let's start from left to right. So the first thing I always carry is flashlights. So this right here is, I'll show you, it's the Tunenge S15. I did do a review video on this, so if you do want to watch this, go ahead and I'll put that up on the screen there for the review on this. Again, it's small, it's compact, it's aerospace aluminum, it's rechargeable, and then finally it is very bright for the size of the flashlight. And what's great about this here too is the way this Maxpedition is designed is I like to keep this on this little keychain setup, is because if I want to, I can actually take this and I'll close this up. And then I actually, not only that I have a pouch, but I actually can go ahead and quickly use this flashlight if need be. So that's why I love to attach it to this keychain lanyard on here too. So there's that one. And then in behind here, I do have a extra pair of headphones. It's the 3.5 millimeter jack. So it's mostly standard for if you're on a plane and you need a pair of headphones and you don't want to purchase the airline's headphones. I have an extra pair of non-Bluetooth headphones. All right. So next up is when traveling, I'm always paranoid that I'm going to catch something weird. So I have right here is the Germ Attack hand sanitizer, which is really cool. It's nice, small, compact, and it is under the 100 milliliter TSA rules when it comes to traveling with the fluid. So nice, small, compact. It does lock, and if I need to spray down my hands or all that too. So always carry a hand sanitizer. All right, so next up is I have my trusty gel pen. The reason why I always carry a pen is because when you're actually traveling and you need to write something down, or even when you're coming back to your country and you need to fill out those declaration cards, there's been times when I didn't have a pen, and so I always carry a pen when I travel. If you've seen a lot of my videos, and you've probably seen this a lot, is I love this Tide to go. The reason why I like this is because if I do need to clean something off, if I get something messy, I don't have the ability to use a washer and dryer, I can just use this Tide stick to go, and I can clean up my mess if I do get myself a mess on my clothes. All right, so that is the first half of the pouch. Now let's move on to this part right here. All right, right here, I have my metal tweezers. Very handy when it comes to if I need to, anything from picking up something small, or it's just a nice piece of a tool that I could use when it comes to traveling. Let's talk about this for a second. If you're wondering what wedges are, and I talked about this a little bit in my intro, the reason why I have these wedges is these are plastic wedges, And the reason why I carry them is for security. So if I'm going to a little bit of a sketchy place and I need an extra sense of security, what I do is I actually take these wedges and put it underneath the door. And that just gives me a little bit of a comfort that nobody's going to come in or anything like that too. So I might be a little bit paranoid, but that is what I like to carry. Even if I don't actually use it, what's great is actually this keeps this container from moving. So it actually acts as a sort of a brace. From there, I will take this out. This is more of my medical / necessity container. So this is my Nintendo Power Mints canister. And I got this from the movie theater. I thought this was great. And I use this as my quote unquote mini container when it comes to traveling and also to keeping some of the necessities that you'll see in this container. So some of the things I like to basically carry are things as gum. So gum is important, especially when you're traveling and you get those altitudes and then your ears start popping and then you can't get that sort of that buildup of pressure in your head. So go ahead, chew some gum and that'll help alleviate hopefully the pressure. From there, I have my little tiny bag, and these will contain things like Band-Aids. I have some Tylenol. I have some Pepto-Bismol chewables. So if I go to a place and my stomach isn't feeling the greatest, I can go ahead and take these just in case if I eat something that doesn't agree with me. All right. From there, I have my mini Chap Ice chapsticks. There I have an extra set of earbuds for hearing protection. These are just foam, and if I'm on an airplane and I want to get some sleep, I can go ahead and put these in and just block out some of the ambient noise when it comes to trying to get some rest or even in a hotel room. And then finally, I have some alcohol pads. I could either use this to maybe clean my hands, or if I need to treat a wound or a scratch that need to put a Band-Aid on, I can go ahead and use these two. Finally, in this pouch here, I have my notebook. So I have my all-weather notebook when it comes to writing stuff down and all this too. Yeah, so that is it for the front pouch. And again, I forgot to mention that if you're needing a pouch, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in my description if you are inclined to buy the Maxpedition double-decker pouch. All right, and you know what? Since we're here, let's talk about this too. I'm going to go ahead and take this all out. If you are inclined to put other stuff in, what's great is with this, it's versatile when it comes to the ability to organize your stuff. So right here we have our elastic, and then from there it's basically separated, and then on top there's two separations on top of that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 compartments to use. And then on here, I will take this out, and this one right here has an elastic securement, and then it has 3 on top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have your 2 pouches in the back too. We talked about security for inside the hotel room. So now let's talk about security for your information. When I travel, I tend to not only bring money, but also I possibly bring some credit cards and all this too, if for an emergency. So what I did was I went ahead and I purchased RFID blocking cards. So this will block any scammers that try to steal my information. So it's a very good sense of security if you want to protect your information. So I go and put one in the front, and then you'll see I put one in the back to create that shield of protection. All right, so that is it for the front of the pouch. Let's go ahead and open up the second half. So the second half this is where I carry things like my passport. So what's great about this one right here is I find that I can actually probably carry more than, I'd say, adding this passport and then this notebook, I could probably fit, I'd say, 3 or 4 passports in this pouch. So that's what's really great about this double-decker Maxpedition pouch. So that is that. And then finally, I have my wallet, and that is the reason why I have 2 of those RFID cards, is just to protect my slim wallet when it comes to traveling. When it comes to money, the money clip does, and then I'll carry the necessary cards for traveling. So that is why I have those cards for protection. That is it for my traveling pouch. And then I will have my final thoughts on this. And that is my complete airport travel EDC pouch setup. Everything here is carry-on safe, practical, and built for real travel, not just looks. If you got value in this, hit subscribe. I test and build real-world EDC setups like this all the time. And if you think I missed something, drop it in the comments below because I'm always upgrading kits like this. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one.